The housing market here in Austin, Texas continues to rebound as we head full steam into the spring and summer selling season, but you're probably still hearing doom and gloom in the headline news. Let's get after what's really happening with home prices here in Austin, Texas, and what this means for you if you're getting ready to buy or sell a home. Hey everyone, you're probably hearing in the news that house prices continue to fall here in Austin, Texas. Now, there's truth to that when looking year-over-year numbers. However, home prices have actually bottomed out and are rising now. So if you're thinking the housing market is overpriced and we're waiting for home prices to fall, that has already happened. Home prices are going up, so congratulations, you didn't buy while prices were on their way down. They have hit the ground, and now you can buy and start building wealth through the equity gain in your home, yes, through the appreciation that is already happening as home prices go back up. If you're a seller that doesn't want to chase housing prices down and you've been waiting for things to stabilize, we're seeing multiple bids on homes and homes selling for over list price again. We're going to cover exactly what you need to know if you are looking to buy or sell a home in this video. Now, this is completely different from what you will hear in the mainstream media, but that's why you're watching this video, because I really dig into what's really going on to help you make great decisions in real estate. The mainstream news is still reporting on data that is several months old and telling you that home prices are going down and mortgage rates are going up. But the complete opposite is true. And home prices have bottomed out and are going up, and mortgage rates have stabilized for months now around 6.5 to 7%. Stay tuned for why I think we are on the verge of home prices starting to really ratchet back up. And really quick, my name is Xochitl Cervantes with RockStone Real Estate Group here in Austin, Texas. And if you're looking to make a move, give me a call, text me, or email me and let's chat. If you've been following me, you'll know that mortgage rates are really tied to inflation and not the Fed raising or lowering overnight lending rates to banks. The reason for this is that banks have to lend money at or above inflation rates. You'll also know that I've been predicting that inflation rates will continue to fall and mortgage rates with them. And sure enough, inflation has fallen again to 4.9%, down from 5% last month and down from 6% the month before. I'm anticipating inflation to really start to drop off as several things that make up core inflation continues to drop, including shelter costs, oil, and used cars. Mortgage rates continue to hang out around 6.5% and have pretty much stayed there for the past few months with some minor fluctuations. If inflation continues to fall over the summer, then mortgage rates should fall accordingly, and we could see a huge uptick in demand this summer. In fact, for every 1% drop in interest rates, 5 million buyers become eligible to purchase homes. We're seeing sales activities here in Austin, Texas, and the U.S. really picking up as we head into the spring and summer months. We're seeing all that pent-up demand I've been talking about, especially for millennials, starting to get unleashed, and bidding wars are returning, and home prices are going back up. Couple that with potentially tons of new buyers entering the market because of lower interest rates in the next couple of months, and prices could really start to surge. Now, let's dive into what is actually happening here in the Austin, Texas housing market. Housing prices rose this past month to $473,000 median sales price for single-family homes. Last month, they were $450,000, and so they rose 5.04%. Overall, the market is fairly flat year over year now. Condos has slid down this past month, and the median price right now is $429,000. Inventory of homes has risen this month to 8,285. This is higher than what we had last year at this time, but it's still almost half of what a normal market should be for this time of year. The length of time that homes are taking to sell is starting to shorten and is averaging 72 days on market. This is another sign the market has been picking up again, and as we head into summer. I've been seeing buyer demand really picking up the past couple of months, and we've been seeing bidding wars on homes priced and marketed well. If the home is overpriced, then it's still taking a long time to sell. And the other big data point I like to look at is the final sales to list price percentage. This tells us how much above or below the list price that homes on average sold for. If on average the final sales price is 98% of the original list price, this is considered a balanced market. Anything over indicates a seller's market and below indicates a buyer's market. Here in Austin, Texas, we're now at 95% final sales to list price, showing us we're swinging back rapidly into a seller's market. Now, what does all of this mean for you if you're thinking about buying or selling a home? If you're thinking about buying and you've been trying to time the market at the bottom, I'm here to tell you the bottom is here. If you're ready to stop renting and buy your first home or make that move up or downsize home purchase, now really is the time to start jumping back in. I've been saying the window of opportunity for buyers to purchase a home and negotiate price reductions, lots of repairs and credits was going to close around April or May of this year, and that's now what I'm seeing to be true. Now, some homes you will still have some negotiation power, and it really comes down to each home that you're looking at, depending on how the home is positioned, meaning price, the home improvements that are done, and how it's being marketed. This will determine how much buyer interest there is in the home. If there's a lot, then you're just not going to have much negotiation power to extract credits and price reductions. If a home is overpriced, then there will be less interest and you'll have more power. This is why you need to contact me to help you buy a home so we can analyze each home you're interested in and find out what offer strategy to use on that home. Every home is different and requires a different offer strategy. Just be prepared that our options are going to be much more limited now than a few months ago. And you're going to want to get ahead of the large pool of buyers that will unleash with the rates down. If you're planning to sell a home, this is everything you need to know to be successful in selling your home in today's market. Even though buyer demand is getting stronger and prices are stabilizing, we're still not fully back in a seller's market. We are essentially in a balanced market, meaning it is more important than ever that you call me so we can put together a customized plan to sell your home on the best terms you're looking for. We'll make sure we don't overprice it, causing it to sit there for months. Instead, we're going to price it with my proven strategy to generate tons of traffic online, which will turn into showings, offers, and then bidding wars. This will give you the leverage you need to get the price and terms that you want. Also be aware that even with multiple offers, you may still need to be prepared to give some closing cost credits to help buyers with interest rate buy downs so they can afford the home. If you're wanting to get an idea of what your home may sell for and what it should be priced at, contact me and I'll run a no obligation home value for you. That is a complete overview of the housing market here in Austin, Texas. Leave a comment or email me back and let me know what you thought, and I'll see you on the next video.